Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a truly unique subject in the world of World War II modelling, the MiniArt Feldküche on RSO 01, kit number 35493 in 1/35 scale. This kit combines two things we don't often see together, a tracked vehicle and a full field kitchen setup, making it a fantastic addition to any diorama or standalone build. In this video, we'll cover unboxing and first impressions, kit details and build features, painting and weathering potential, diorama ideas and pros and cons. Let's start with what's in the box. As usual from MiniArt, the moulding quality is excellent, with crisp detail and no flash. You get multiple sprues covering the RSO chassis, the field kitchen components, cooking accessories and even PE. There's also a small decal sheet and clear parts for windows and doors. On the plus side, the detail level is outstanding and the subject matter is refreshingly different. It's not a tank, it's not a half track, but it adds a ton of atmosphere. On the downside, MiniArt kits can be a little bit fiddly, especially for newer modelers. Take your time with the small parts and dry fit often. One of the highlights here is how detailed the kitchen area is. You get pots, utensils, food containers, and the iconic goulash cannon. The RSO tractor itself is fully detailed, including a complete engine and suspension system. The tracks are Lincoln length, which might take a bit more time, but it looks fantastic once assembled. You also had the option of an open or closed window, door and hood. This kit is a dream for painters. Several camo schemes are provided. From rusty cookware to greasy engine blocks and mud-covered tracks, the opportunities for texture and storytelling are endless. Whether you're going for a muddy eastern front look or a more static rear end scene, there's tons of potential here. Here are a few paint options for the German colours. The paints for these kits need to be 1943 to 44. The wood panels look amazing. Here are a few paints that you might consider to get that weathered, realistic look. Now let's talk scenes. This kit is begging for a diorama. Picture it, a snowy forest clearing, a couple of soldiers warming their hands over the kitchen, or maybe a supply convoy stopped for a hot meal. You could even pair it with MiniArt, Dragon, Royal Model or Panzerart infantry sets to tell a more elaborate story. Here's a selection of a few 1/35 scale figures that you might consider for a diorama. And here are a few items that will help give your diorama that realistic appearance. Overall, this is a fantastic kit for both beginners and experienced modelers looking to add depth and variety to their World War II builds. If you love creating scenes and telling stories through your models, this field kitchen on RSO will definitely stand out on the shelf or in a diorama. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more scale modelling content, and let me know in the comments, what scene would you build with this kit? Thanks for watching and happy modelling. Please enjoy a selection of a few books for inspiration.